This is a recap for Thursday, December 2nd. In class today, we, first of all, before we get to this, you should stop this video if you missed class and you're making this up, and you should go to week 10 quizzes 3 and complete that, and then come back. If you need to come back for some help, then you're having trouble with quizzes, week 10 quizzes 3, then that's fine, but you should go work on that for a bit. Okay, I'm going to assume that you came back, and this is what we did. We did a little bit more challenging problems. For example, negative 15 equals 11 minus 2t. We're going to change this into an equivalent problem, which is negative 15 equals 11 plus negative 2 times t. That way we can correctly subtract this 11. Subtract 11. This is negative 26. And 11 minus 11 is 0, so this is negative 2t. So we're going to now divide by negative 2. And I like to put at the end the variable on the left. T is equal to negative 26 divided by negative 2. That's 13. Okay, on this one we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do 13 equals 11 plus a negative 4x. So we're going to now subtract 11, and that's equal to 2. On the left side of the equation, 11 minus 11 is 0. We could write 0 plus negative 4x, but we don't really need to write 0 plus anything. So we'll just do that. We'll just write negative 4x. And we'll divide by negative 4. So x is equal to negative 2/4, which is equal to negative 1/2. And if we wanted to check that, we could do this. We could make sure that 13 is equal to 11 minus 4 times negative 1/2. 4 times negative 1/2 is negative 2, and 11 minus a negative 2 is equal to 13, so that one checks. And so that's what we just did, those notes in class, and then we went to model algebraic equations. And so you could practice for a while. So choose two-step equations. I'll do a couple here. So here is 3x plus 1 equals 7. Write that down in your notes and solve it, and then do 3x's, 1, 2, 3, plus 1, and then 7. And when it balances, you hit check. And then to isolate the variable, I need to get rid of this plus 1, and so I put a minus 1. Those zero out, and then I divide. And each one of these x's gets 2 of the plus 1, so the answer is 2. And then you can also make your own. So you can just drag these wherever you'd like and then try it out. So 2x plus 2 equals negative 6. And I'm going to get rid of these plus 1s by hitting negative. And then we're going to divide. Each one of them is negative 4. And then finally, in class today, we did connect 4 equations. And you can choose your level of difficulty. So choose two-step, and then whole numbers are the easiest. So they look like this. And let me do a new game. We're going to take the timer off and then hit start game. So this is 3x minus 4 equals 5. I put that in my notes. solve it. X is equal to 3. We check it. Hit answer and it says correct. And then you just have to, we didn't really play the game, but you have to click on it to get the next one. So 1 equals 2x minus 7. And I know that x is equal to 4. So I answer it. I get it correct and the black one comes down. And you hit ready. So you just do that for a while. If you'd like to make it a little bit more difficult, you can drag to level 1. And now you've got some negatives. If you want it even more difficult, go to level 2. And you've got fractions and negatives. And if you want it even more difficult, go to level 3 and hit start. All right, and that is a recap for Thursday, December 2nd.